Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So in today's video we are going to do something special, that we are going to understand the Nobel Prize winner's drama Chandalika. Identify the Indian Nobel Prize winner. He is Rabindranath Tagore. So let's start with Chandalika. Chandalika is a dance drama written in the year 1938. Chandalika drama surrounded by a Chandal girl named Prakriti belongs from an untouchable community whose shadow in auspicious occasions is considered too ominous. Prakriti, like her name, suggests the features of nature, and also she is a teenager. So she gets smitten by a disciple of Buddha, Ananda. Ananda is his name. Let's go back and know the first glance of Prakriti with Ananda. One day in Vaishak month, she is sitting under the blistering sun and hears someone calling her from some 50 feet apart. She is awestruck by the blissful beauty of the monk, Ananda, the enlightening face attracting her. He asks to quench his thirst by Prakriti, a Chandal girl, as impure as the lake, could not use the water. But Ananda convinces her to not criticize herself. As he says, self-humiliation is worst. It's sinful, worse than self-murder. These following words of Ananda change Prakriti entirely, as if she has taken another birth in the same life. He made her realize her importance and helped her discover a new life with his rightful statements. Seeing the change in Prakriti and hearing such things from Prakriti's mouth, her mother, Maya, is shaken up and thinks that somebody has made spell on her. She is astonished about her daughter's newborn ideas about humanism, casteism, and her desire for a monk. But Prakriti stays firm to the decision that she wants to have that monk by hook and crook, which is possible when her mother will chant spells on him to bring him back. After her mother's disapproval, still Prakriti remains obstinate to her decision. Finally, she could persuade her mother to bring Ananda straight back to their home. As Prakriti is her most lovable daughter, she could not resist, as she had demanded nothing. This is her first time that stays stubborn to her decision, and her idea to spell on a monk perplexes as well as shakes her mother. Maya makes her daughter prepare all the stuff that will be needed to chant magic spells that are required to make out spells powerful, like giving her a magic mirror, and tells Prakriti to be attentive to watch over Ananda's footsteps to their door. Her magic spell worked over him. Ananda is pulled back from where he was. His divine beauty enlightens everything all around, and his heavenly glow is destroyed into pieces. Prakriti's mother is exhausted till now. All her energy is passed down to bring back Ananda. She was lying on the floor, counting last of her breath, as overpowering her life with such a majestic personality was a difficult task to do for her daughter. Now it is the second time when Prakriti is awakened to a life in which she understands the value of her mother's love. But what she did is to make her mother suffer for a monk. She has committed a sin now. She is repenting over her mistake and trying to redeem what she did to her mother. The holy monk Ananda is taken back by Buddha. The ending shows that no power is greater than Lord Buddha. Can you smell the subalternism in Chandalika which was present in Tagore's time? So Tagore used the narrative technique of protesting against Brahmanical hegemony, and Chandalika explores possible ways of redemption. Her mother, Maya, performs the role of the ruling class like the dominant Brahmins maintaining their position in the society by controlling and imposing their beliefs on the lower class. Lower class, like Prakriti, when they see the change developing inside them, they, the Brahmins, impose and remind their position like her mother, Maya. When she sees that Prakriti is self awakening, she considers this her madness. In between the ruling and lower class, Ananda comes as a guide for Prakriti to make her aware about dignity, humanity, and equality.